back to another video. So today I'm recording on my iPad because my phone's broken. Okay, yeah. Okay, so today guys, as you saw on the title, we are making an Apple Pen. If your iPad or phone doesn't take an Apple Pen, you can't afford a new phone, new iPad, or an Apple Pen. I'm going to show you how to make one in a couple easy steps, the items you have at home. So first, here's the pen that I made earlier. Yeah, okay. So first things, you want to get a pen. I tried a couple pens earlier. The Q-tips didn't fit in them, but it might just be my Q-tips. So here, actually don't cut it. So you gotta take that out. You don't need that anymore. You just need this. So you're gonna get a Q-tip. Okay, here's my Q-tip. You see it doesn't fit. So you're just gonna go cut it about here. Right there. Shoot. Okay. So then, here we go. Got it. So then you're going to get your pen. Stick it in there. You see? Now, if you just try it, it won't work, just the Q-tip itself. So, you have some tin foil. What I told you, the stuff that you need are Q-tips, scissors, tape, tin foil, and of course the pen. So now we got it, okay? And water. Yes, everyone has water. So now you're gonna just take a little bit of tape, and then here you're just gonna kind of lift it up some, just like a tiny bit, like there. You don't want it so much lifted up because then it's gonna be really long. So now I'm just gonna tape it. There we go, I taped it. And okay, so here's the Q-tip before, here's the Q-tip after. So every month or so you might want to change it. That's what I think. So yeah. So then you're gonna get some tin foil, and you're just gonna go up to this close to it. Okay, and you're just gonna wrap the pen, and you don't want to cover the the Q-tip. So I'm just gonna wrap this and I'll be back. Got it all on, you just kind of want to smush it together. And it's your opinion if you just want to tape it at the bottom to make sure it stays. Just kind of crush it at the top. So this is how it should look. Looks a little wacky, but I'm gonna get some duct tape it. I'm gonna do mods to it. So you're probably wondering, how does it work now? Does it work with this? You have to get a little wet. So I'm just gonna fill this up with water. Just barely. Doesn't have to be soaking wet. It just has to be wet. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna do a screen recording to show you that it actually works. Trust me, it works. So, yes. Here, I made a little mod. This was, you just kind of slide your pen in. It's pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna show you. So if you go, here's my iPad, you probably don't want to look at that, it's gross. So you just go to my coloring apps. I'm just gonna go onto here. So here's a drawing I've been working on. I have my other drawings right here. Yeah, that's probably my best. So we're just going to go back to him. You see, it works. I'm not touching it or anything. Bang. Oh, whoops. And you see how I'm holding it? I'm not touching this. You have to be touching the tin foil for it to work. That's so cool. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you. So that's how you make an Apple Pen. I hope that helped you. So, bye, guys. Okay, it won't stop. Bye.